Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have an amazing routine to help strengthen your knees. So important no matter what phase in your life you are at. Such an important part of your body to take care of. So we're gonna do it, we're gonna have fun. So let's get into it. So I will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk more, I explain the movement, proper form, all that good stuff. And then set number 2 and 3, I zip it. We just go straight through the routine together, okay? So starting with our first exercise, super simple but so powerful. We are doing a heel and toe raise, and it looks exactly as it sounds. All right, so we're gonna raise our heels, so go into a calf raise, and then come down and raise our toes. All right, so up, up, up. So kind of like swinging back and forth. You see my butt's kind of like kicking out when I do my toes, but try not to bend your knees so much. So we really want to work on strengthening, your calves and your shins here, which are going to help strengthen your knees. So up and then up. All right, if you need to bend a little bit to get up, that's fine, but try your best to stay straight and mwah. All right, so 30 seconds on the clock, heel and toe raises, and let's go. If you need to hold on to a wall or a chair to help balance for this, go right for it. That might even help you keep your legs straight a little bit more. If not, if you want to practice your balance, go ahead and hold on to yourself or have your arms out here, whatever works best for you. But remember a nice straight posture here, all right? So we have a nice straight spine, belly and your core is engaged, all right? Straight back, shoulders are pushed away from the ears, all right? So press your shoulders down. All right, very good. Up, up. You can go a little bit faster, whatever is more comfortable. And 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Go ahead, bend those knees now. Pedal them. And get ready for our next exercise, which is a lateral monster walk. These are fun. So we're going to do slight bend in the knees, or you can go in full squat, whatever works for you. And we're going to be little monsters, and we're going to go to the side. All right, so coming down, and we're gonna step, and then you can come up if you want, or go ahead and stay in that squat position and go over to the other side. All right, so 2 steps one side, 2 steps the other. You can choose to stand after those 2 and then go back down, or stay in that squat, in that lateral monster walk the entire time. All right, 30 seconds, you got this. And let's go. So squat down, step, step, and then step, step, or stand, and then go. Here it's really important to keep a straight back. So we want to avoid arching, all right? So when we're in a squat position, sometimes it feels natural to kind of stick your butt out and arch, but boom, lock it in, tuck in that butt, all right? It's really important to protect your spine. Very good. Feel those knees working. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Awesome job. Next, we have leg curls, all right? So it's a leg curl, hamstring curl, whatever you want to call it. We're standing, all right? Your feet are not, your feet are hip width apart, so they're not, wide. They're not too close together, a little space in between. You can hold onto a chair or a wall. And we're going to simply curl the leg. All right, just bending it at the knee, keeping your quads together, and that's it. Really squeezing your knee as it comes up and come back down. All right, we're gonna do one side, 30 seconds, and then the other. I really want you to focus on that leg and not worry about switching your weight back and forth, okay? Big breath, and let's go. So curl, squeeze, squeeze, and come down. Very good. Awesome. Remember that posture we talked about before, and remember to breathe. Sometimes we hold our breath when we're focusing on something. It's so important to deliver oxygen to your muscles, especially while working out or stretching. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Pedal those knees, and other side. Big breath, and let's go. Very good. If you want to level up on this and you want to do something even harder, you can add ankle weights. All right, so like little 2-3 pound ankle weights to add a little resistance and challenge for you. Alrighty, awesome job. Remember, breathe. Squeeze your knees. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead, bend those knees. Awesome job. Now to finish, we are doing good old-fashioned squats. Squats are just, la creme de la creme. They're just so great for absolutely everything. Knees, thighs, core, backs, everything. All right, but knees. We're doing knees today, and squats are great for them. So we're sitting in an invisible chair. All right, invisible chair. Remember that I talked about that straight back. We want to avoid arching. You also want to avoid bending over. All right, so straight spine. Your knees should never pass your toes, so you don't want to go like this. All right, make sure they're back here. Okay, if you can't go down all the way or you don't feel comfortable yet, go ahead and do a half squat. You just go down 6 inches. All right, doesn't have to go all the way. Form is more important, so quality over quantity. All right, big breath, squats for 30 seconds, and let's go. Coming down and then up, squeezing your knees. Very good. And squeeze. Remember that posture, chest is up, and we're breathing and we're having fun. Very good. I also like to have strong arms here. All right, I feel like it helps, my entire movement as well. So strong arms here, no floppy arms, no. Nice, strong and engaged body all around. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and come up. Very, very good. Big breath. And there we have it. These 4 awesome exercises to help strengthen your knees. We're going to take a second, grab water, and then we're doing it again. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do. We have our heel and toe raises, all right? Then we have our lateral monster walk, and we have our leg curls, and then we have our squats, all right? 30 seconds each. You got this, starting with our heel and toe raise, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and bend those knees. Very good. Moving on to our lateral monster walk. Big breath, ready position, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and finish your little set and come up. Very, very good. Awesome job. Shake it out, shake it out. Moving on to leg curls. 30 seconds one side, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Bend those knees. Bend, bend, bend. And other side. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Pedal those knees. And last but not least, our squats. Feet hip width apart, sitting in our invisible chair. And let's begin. And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, hold, 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 and come up. Very, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Big breath, and there we have it. 2 sets done. Awesome job. Take a second, breathe, water, and then we're gonna crush set number 3. Alrighty, set number 3, we got this. Keep up the energy, you're doing great. Starting with our heel and toe raises, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and bend those knees. Very good. Moving on to our lateral monster walk. Big breath, ready position, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and finish your little set. And come up. Very, very good. Awesome job. Shake it out, shake it out. Moving on to leg curls. 30 seconds one side, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Bend those knees. Bend, bend, bend. And other side. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Pedal those knees. And last but not least, our squats. Feet hip width apart, sitting in our invisible chair. And let's begin. And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, hold, 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 and come up. Very, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Alrighty, 3 sets of our knee strengthening exercises done, dusted. Give yourself a round of applause, and then go ahead, check out our channel, click subscribe, click the bell. That notifies you when we post a video so you don't miss out on any of our workouts or recipes, all right? I hope to see you on the next one.